Good morning, my dear respected principal sir, and my dear colleagues, and my very dear students, boys and girls. Mainly, today 9th class students giving farewell party to 10th class students. I think this is the last party in our school education. So this enjoy have to follow. I wish you have to follow in entire life. How it is possible if we make hard work, not only this 10th class, in entire life, you can enjoy the same life. Because there is no shortcut to the success, only hard work. Because shortcuts give short circuits. Don't search for shortcuts, because hard work only the secret of the success. Already we learned so many lessons in 9th to reach for the top, and so many lessons in 10th class also. I will do it, and Nicholas also. Because every person has a talent. God has no created as a zero. So many times I am telling you this. Every person has some talent. So you have to improve that zero as your wish. Example, you are a zero. Being a zero is not your mistake, but going as a zero as surely your mistake. Yes or no? Yes, yeah. How to came here, that is not much matter, but how are you going from this goal is much better. Okay? And do hard work in this couple of days. For 10th class students, our least marks 80. Okay? Even Nagavijay and Naveen Krishna also, I wish they can get. Can you get? Get or not? That is the least marks. 98 is the 99, 98 only our best marks. I challenge in class also, and here also I am challenging before our respected principal sir. I will give 1000 rupees. How many students will get 98 above marks? How many students? That is not matter. 98 and above, how many students will get 98 marks in English? I will get each 1000 rupees. Okay, can you obey? Yeah. Keep in mind, not a joke. That is my dream. So, and don't waste your time. This is very valuable time. 1 minute to last you 1 mark. Okay, don't waste your time and get good marks and bring a good name for our school and our parents and yourselves also. And finally, 9th class students also do hard work. I am very sorry to say this. You have to change a lot of, mainly IIT students and state boys, you have to change a lot of, because there is no discipline. I am sorry to say this. Yes or no? So, because you are children, that is, age is very crucial age. So, don't addict bad friendship, bad habits. Okay? Because bad habits can addict very soon, very sweetly, that bad habits. But avoid of that bad habits are very tough. It is very easy to addict a bad habit. but that awareness of a very tough condition. So don't be a addict of a bad habit. One of my neighbor asked before 2 months ago, I want to tell Telugu this. బావ ఒకసారి బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్ అంటున్నావు, కళ్ళు తాగటం అది పెద్ద బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్ ఏం కాదు కదా, అది న్యాచురల్గా వస్తుంది కదా ట్రీస్ నుంచి, పామ్ ట్రీస్ నుంచి, అది ఎట్లా బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్ అవుతుంది అంటాడు. అది న్యాచురల్గా దేవుడు ఇచ్చాడు కదా, అది మనం తాగుతున్నాం, చలవ చేస్తుంది, ఇది చేస్తుంది అంటాడు. కానీ నేను అన్నాను, రోడ్డు మీద వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు మార్నింగ్ గేదెలు వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు పేడ వస్తుంది, కొంచెం పేడ కూడా చక్కగా వేడివేడిగా ఉంటుంది కదా, దాన్ని కూడా చక్కగా ప్లేట్లో పెట్టుకొని హాయిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కమ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ నేచురల్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ మైండ్, వాట్ ఈస్ బ్యాడ్, వాట్ ఈస్ గుడ్. వీ షుడ్ టేక్ ఓన్లీ బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్, వీ షుడ్ అడిక్ట్ good habits. Don't be a bad person in this society. Okay? First of all, that bad habits are very tasty. In ninth, I think last year, 6th to 7th classes, there is a story, Snake Charmer. In that story, of that charmer, that person grow up with some snakes. He goes to every day to the forest and brings some different snakes and play in the city. Okay, every day that is his routine life. So every day that villagers or town people enjoy that snake charmers playing with snakes and give some money. With that money he is continue his life. One day he got a bad idea. Every day this much little money comes to me, I could not survive my life. So one day he went to deep forest and brings a big snake that might be a mighty python. Okay, first of all, that is very slowly in that mist. So he brings one day that snake to the city and he rounded that snake to his body. Hey, look here, they are enjoying. That is a very beautiful scene. This snake charmer is very entertainers, but finally it is round and tight his body and finally he died. But that audience thought that yes, he is doing very excellent acting today, but finally he died. So dear students, I am advising, don't be addicted to bad habits like snakes. So be a good citizen, be a good student, be a good son of your parents. Okay, and finally I wish you a very great future. God will give you a good health and a better future. Okay, God bless you, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.